Your large carry-on items need to go in the overhead compartments. Your smaller ones underneath the seat in front of you, keeping all exits and aisles clear.
Alright, so I learned something. When you have a connecting flight and you have a big layover, as soon as you go through to immigration and then customs, and then they take any check-in bags you have. Well, I had all carry-on, but it was a full flight, and so they asked for anybody that wanted to check a bag. I thought, okay, I'll just check my bag, doesn't cost anything, so I checked the bag. Anyway, so now, as soon as I went through customs, there's a place where you can drop off your bag so that it'll go and meet you at your next destination, which I did. But then when I went to get my ticket for the next flight, the woman said, well, if you've got everything, we can get you on an earlier flight. Oh, I had already checked that bag, so it's not going to happen. So I'm here for several hours. Let's go find something to eat.